Now, breaking all records, India has recorded a massive surge of 1,68,912 Covid-19 cases in the last 24 hours. India also witnessed a grim record of 904 deaths. This is now day 6 of over 1 lakh plus daily coronavirus cases. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi joins us. Sukirti, as a country, we now have the third highest COVID cases in the world, right after the US and Brazil, according to Johns Hopkins data. Any latest SOS measures being taken to tackle the colossal rise in cases?
Well, as far as the measures are concerned, the centre, of course, has been sending these central teams to various worst affected states. There were teams, about 50 teams were sent to Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Punjab to check which are the worst affected districts, what exactly are the issues that are wrong there. And the feedback from these teams has already been submitted, based on which the Union Health Ministry yesterday wrote to these 3 states. And the 3 main factors that were pointed out by the centre in these letters was that, one, the lack of social distancing, masking measures, general COVID appropriate behavior not being followed across these districts that are reporting a surge in cases. Apart from that, there is a shortage of manpower at hospitals. There is lack of oxygen supply. There are malfunctioning ventilators in parts of Maharashtra. There are containment zones where rules are not being implemented strictly. A lot of interactions taking place even within containment zones. So centre, so far as their measures are concerned, they've been sending teams from their ends, teams of public health experts, of epidemiologists. States, as far as those are concerned, many states implementing lockdowns at this point of time, partial lockdowns in a way. Many others have already implemented night curfews. But of course, the centre has consistently said that lockdowns are not your go-to solution for bringing down cases. It has to be greater RT-PCR testing and better containment measures and implementation of COVID-appropriate behavior. So all of these multi-strategy measures are being taken at this point of time. But of course, you also see at the same time visuals coming from places like the Kumbh Mela in Haridwar, where lakhs and lakhs of people are gathering without any COVID norms being followed. So on one hand, measures being taken. At the same time, there are gatherings also taking place in the country, which has reported over 1 lakh cases for the 6th consecutive day.